What's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. I think that everyone wants to edit faster and more efficient without wasting their time. So today I'm gonna show you how to edit faster in Premiere Pro with 5 simple tips. You can also use these tips on different editing programs such as Final Cut Pro, DaVinci or even Sony Vegas. To start up with, I fully support the standpoint of organizing all of your footage into your computer in different folders by the type of every video or photo material that you have. For example, I organize the files in folders on my computer. So now I have the camera footage on a folder called Nikon D3300 and my screen records on a folder called Screen. So if I had more, I would have done the same. Next, I will go to Premiere Pro and I will create a new bin and I will name it Nikon D3300 and I will import all the files that I have in the same folder on my computer. I will also do the same for the other types of footage that I have. Next, I will go to every single folder and click a single video or photo. I will press Ctrl A or Command A if you are using an Apple device to select all the files in a single folder. Then, with a right click on my mouse, I will select Label to mark this file type with a specific color. I will select blue for my camera footage and yellow for my screen records. I'm using the same colors every time so I won't never forget them. After doing all that, I'm dragging everything into my timeline to make fast cuts. Before I start my editing progress, I decrease my playback quality into 1/4 or 1/2, so I won't have frame drops or lags into my timeline workflow. I highly recommend that. Tip 5 and my last but not least tip for today's video. Do you get bored of copying and pasting all the attributes of a video when you want to have all the color grade effects into the timeline? I got you. The only thing you have to do is to click here and create an adjustment layer. Drag it into your timeline and adjust it according to your needs. In case you forgot to take a photo of your thumbnail, or in case you have scheduled to take a frame of the video, I think I have an easy way to do that. First, go to the timeline and choose the frame that you want. Next, you just have to click here, or if you don't have this option, just click here and you will find it. By clicking it, you can choose the format of the photo that you want. You can also browse the folders of your computer and save it in a specific folder. And you are done, you have a photo in a very good quality. Okay, that's all that I had to share with you in today's video. Thanks for watching the whole video. Help me reach my first goal, the 100 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.